Are you looking to improve your volleyball game? And I don't just mean one aspect of it. I mean the whole aspect of it. Serving, hitting, setting, and passing? Yeah, stop. Look no further. Check out our friends over at VbStar. They sent this training kit over for us to test out, and I want to show you what's inside and how you can make it work. Hey guys, I'm Carmen with Duo, and right off the bat, this is one of the tools that VbStar sent over to us in this package. This is a setting tool. So what this is you strap it on your hand, and it prevents you from bringing the ball all the way down to the palm of your hand, because when you're setting a ball, it's going to be using fingertips and just using that hand motion to push it out. So this is a nice tool to put on your hand if you're looking to set or you're looking to improve your setting and you're getting called on carries. In here, you're going to train like a pro. And guess what? Set high goals. Here's the other strap for your hand. Let's go ahead and put those back in this box. It also comes with this beautiful little volleyball bracelet, as well as 50 volleyball stickers. In addition to all that, it comes with this synth sack bag that I have on. Now, I coach volleyball, and I literally just came back from a volleyball tournament this weekend where we use this for warming up. What I like about it is it also gives me 2 water bottle pockets on the side. Inside, this is big enough for me to fit a volleyball, which is not included, so you have to have your own volleyball. So I got my volleyball, and I have the harness here, and this is our training tool. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna go ahead and put the volleyball in. What I like to do is keep one of the straps pretty loose, and then I open up the other strap. It allows me to slide the volleyball in very nicely here. And then we just wanna tighten it up as much as we can because we don't want the volleyball to be loose in there. So now I'm gonna go ahead and tighten up that other side. Now the volleyball is securely fastened in the harness, which is connected to the belt. So we're gonna go ahead and put the belt on, which starts in the front here and is gonna go around your waist and Velcro in the back. Okay, so what's nice about the serving tool here, the training tool, is we're gonna start with serving, and what's nice about it is you can adjust the length. So it's off season, it's very cold outside, but here we are in the garage and I'm still able to practice volleyball without a net and without being outside. So with it pretty far extended, I'm able to work on my toss and get my serve. I can step into it. If you're working on your jump serve, you can even do that because this is going to give you room to move. So now you worked on serving, you can work on hitting. Just making sure you get that snap and that follow through in your wrist. Also, you can go right into underarm passing. Whoop, excuse me. You can set it out the length a little more to give you a little bit more room. From here, you can go into setting. So we're going to use the same length. And you can work on setting. So you can use all 3 of the areas of volleyball that you really need to focus on, and you can do this all in your garage. Thanks to our friends over at VbStar for sending us over to test out. Again, guys, my name is Carmen with Duo. Check it out.